Rate of breathing depends upon concentration of which gas? The correct answer is beta, carbon dioxide. What type of blood vessels surround the alveoli? The correct answer is C, capillary. In man, the system of gaseous exchanges. The correct answer is beta, respiratory system. What percentage of oxygen inhaled from air during breathing? The correct answer is A, 21%. Number of bronchi in the air passageway are beta, 2. The glottis is guarded by a flap of tissue card. The correct answer is D, epiglottis. A cough, mild wheezing, fever, chills and shortness of breath are symptoms of. The correct answer is C, bronchitis. How many bronchi are there in the air passageway? The correct answer is beta, 2. Smoking may also lead to the cancers in kidney and pancreas, oral cavity and larynx, breast and bladder. The correct answer is D, all of them. In wood stems and roots, the gaseous exchange dash. The correct answer is A, lenticels. Which disease is caused by Streptococcus pneumonia? The correct answer is C, pneumonia. Most of the gaseous exchange in a leaf occurs through. The correct answer is A, stomata. The length of trachea is dash centimeter approximately. The correct answer is beta, 12. The respiratory disease that is the destruction of the walls of alveoli is called dash. The correct answer is Charlie, emphysema. The major cause of lungs cancer is beta, smoking. How many lobes are present in right lung? The correct answer is beta, 3 lobes. In human, which process occur in alveoli? The correct answer is Charlie, gaseous exchange occur in alveoli. The percentage of oxygen from air which you inspired is dash. The correct answer is beta, 21% air we inspire. In wood stems and roots, the gaseous exchange occurs through. The correct answer is alpha, lenticels. In man, the system of gaseous exchange is dash. The correct answer is beta, respiratory system. Number of bronchi in the air passageway are. The correct answer is beta, 2. Which bring deoxygenated blood from heart into lungs? The correct answer is beta, pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from heart to the lungs. Most of the gaseous exchange in a leaf occurs through stomata, alpha. The primary chemical stimulus for breathing is the concentration of. The correct answer is alpha. Carbon dioxide in the blood is stimulus for breathing. If this video is helpful for you, then like to this video, subscribe to my channel for more updates regarding education that will be beneficial for you. Thank you.